Welcome back to my channel, my loves. Today's video is a night out, going to the club, a party, a bar, whatever, and you want to look good, makeup on fleek, you want a bold lip and a smoky eye. I mean, this is a totally different look than what I usually do, but I am loving it. I mean, I think it looks really good, and I'm super excited to show you guys because it is very easy to do as well. And if you want to know more about this look, stay tuned. And also, I am going to be doing a giveaway. So I went ahead and did my foundation, I did my eyebrows, and we are going to get started on this contour and the highlight. And of course, going to be going in with my Hoola bronzer and just going to be contouring my cheeks, the forehead, and all the main points of the face. Just going to pack it all on my forehead, and then I always blend it in after. And just saying, if you haven't noticed, I am using new brushes right now, and they are super, super cute from Vanity Planet, and it's like a pinkish white to an ombre, hella cute. And just saying, I do have a 70% off, just saying, so you should wait till the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up this jawline, and now going to blend my forehead out. What I really enjoy about these brushes is that they do not shed, and I seem to have an issue with that when it comes to brushes, especially brushes that are actually affordable and aren't super expensive. So it's like you get a brush that is hella cute and it doesn't shed. Now that I have all this blended out, I am going to contour my nose. I also want to mention that these brushes are synthetic, so it's not going to irritate your skin. I feel like I do have brushes that are actually real hair, and it makes me break out in a rash on my face for some reason. I mean, I don't know if it does that to you guys, but it does it to me, and that's why, I really do enjoy synthetic brushes. There you go, that is my fabulous contouring tricks. Nothing special, super simple. Like always, you guys know I'm really basic with my makeup, but I'm actually doing a different eyeshadow today. I don't even do black eyeshadow, so I'm super nervous because this is gonna be only like my third time trying. Now for highlighter, I am going to be using the Ofra highlighter, and it is called Blissful. I just got this one. I am absolutely in love. It has kind of like a pink undertone, but I still like it a lot on my skin tone. But I feel like I used to have my mom, she's a lot lighter than me, and it still looked really good on her. Normally what I do is I use this kind of brush to just stack it on, and then I use a different kind of brush just to kind of blend it in. It is so gorgeous though, even without being blended. I mean, you can tell it's not blended right now, but it still looks really good. These brushes are hella soft too. Going to put some on my Cupid's bow, my chin, and of course going to highlight my nose as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend in this highlight with just a fluffy big brush. The palette I am using for my eyeshadow today is the BH Neutral palette. It is so beautiful, all the colors. I've posted it before. Hope you guys can see this right now. I'm literally going to be mixing in and blending a lots of different shades of brown. The first shade we are going in with is a very taupey color. We got that packed on, and now we're going to blend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a light brown on the outer crease. Last but not least, now we're going in with the outer corners. We are going to be doing a very dark brown. For last, we are going to be doing the outer corner, and we're going to be doing a dark brown, almost like a chocolate. Now what we want to do is get that same last shade, which is like a dark chocolate brown, and we're going to go ahead and line the bottom of our lashes. Since that palette does not have a black, I'm going to go ahead and use my tiny little Smashbox palette. And this came with like, I have like literally like 5 of these that I got. But I'm going to go ahead and use the black that they have in here. And we're going to go ahead and use just a flat brush like this, and we're just going to pack it on the lid. Now I'm going to go back in with my blending, and I'm just going to blend all that in. Now for that lower lash line, we're going to go ahead and go in with the black. Now for eyelashes, I actually don't know which lashes these are. I will search them for you, and I will leave it in the description below. For my mascara today, I am using Bad Bang, and this is by Benefit. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. Okay, I got my eyelashes on. This eye is completely done. These lashes are very dramatic and super long. I feel like they're like touching my eyebrow, but they look really good with the whole eyeshadow look. And, ooh, why is my eye burn right now? So everything I did with this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this eye. And I am done with my other eye, so this is done. The whole eye look is finished, and you could see it was so freaking simple. I used 3 different shades of brown, and I just stacked on the black, blended it a little bit. It was so basic, super easy, and super easy for you guys to do as well. And I literally love these eyelashes. I've never actually worn these before. I think that's why I didn't know which lashes they were. They're kind of just out of the box, but like I said, I'll figure out which. Ooh, I got a little bit of fallout right now. Forgot to wipe that off. Okay, seriously though, I've washed these brushes 3 times already, still no fallout with these. Now to move on to lips. I did want to do a fun lip color today. I never do pinks, and I definitely don't do hot pinks. And this is Always On liquid lipstick, and this is by Smashbox. And my lip liner is 094, and this is by Bite Beauty. Okay, after putting this lipstick on, I feel like I see myself working at MAC. I don't know why this color makes me feel like I think of MAC when I put this on with the black eyeshadow, but I'm actually really feeling this lipstick. I just need to do my hair. So yeah, this is the final makeup look, but now let's get started on the hair. I'm really shook because I never do looks like this. I went ahead and wet my hair. You want your hair really damp, and you're gonna go ahead and add some mousse to it. This is really, really simple, and it makes it easier for your hair to get like a curly, wavy, wet look when you put the mousse in it. And you want to make sure you get it all through here as well, because you don't want your hair like getting too soft and then just falls and it doesn't stay back. And once you have that mousse all throughout your hair, you're just gonna go ahead and go in with some hairspray and just spray all over. Wow. Like, wow. This, okay, I'm like actually really surprised. This turned out way better than I expected. And then now I got the little shirt going on, I got my earrings going on. It looks so cute. Now I want to go out. I'm not even going anywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was very basic, really simple like always. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. I'm also doing a giveaway and I'm going to be posting about it on Instagram, but you guys are going to have to watch this and figure out the directions how to win it when I post it on Instagram. But stay tuned, keep up with the video, you guys. And the giveaway I'm doing for this video, by the way, is going to be a BH Cosmetics palette. Ooh, let me open this thing. I don't know why it doesn't want to open. There we go. Very beautiful. So I want you to comment down below and let's see what you guys comment. How old are you? Comment that. Okay, bye. Okay, I have no idea how I forgot to give you guys the discount code. That doesn't make any sense to me, but also I was super tired when I filmed this. But I do have a discount code, SALT30, for the brush set, and it's not 10% off, it is not 20, it's not 50, it is 70% off. And the brushes are only going to be $21 for you guys. And I will have a link down below, just letting you all know. So you're welcome.